Divorce Mediation versus DIY Divorce in San Bernardino County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce in San Bernardino County and trying to avoid high attorney fees, you've probably considered two main options, mediation or doing it yourself. But which one is right for you? Mediation is helpful when you and your spouse need assistance reaching an agreement. A neutral mediator guides the conversation, but keep in mind they don't file your paperwork. That part is still up to you. On the other hand, a DIY divorce is ideal if you already agree on everything. You just need someone to handle the paperwork properly, submit it to the court, and get your divorce finalized without court appearances. We recently helped a couple in San Bernardino who paid for mediation, but were surprised to learn the mediator didn't prepare or file any court forms. They came to us to handle everything, and we got their divorce judgment approved in just a few weeks. At Divorce 661, we handle the entire process from start to finish: filing, service, disclosures, and judgment. If you need a mediator, we can refer you. But if you're already in agreement, we'll help you skip that step and save time and money. If you want a clear, affordable path to divorce in San Bernardino County, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you choose the best option and make sure everything is done right the first time.